Hello, my students. How are you? Group 1. Today we'll solve from weekly assessments. Weekly assessment number 1. Okay. Form activity. Look at with me about first questions. Here, homework. Find the product of each. We know negative 2 power 4 here. Look at here. Negative 2 power 4. The sign out here. So the result will be negative and 2 times itself 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Then the answer about first question, it will be negative 16. Okay. Write with me the answer here, negative 16. Okay. Write negative outside and 16. And next question here, negative 4 or power 2, it's meaning negative 4 times negative 4. Your negative times negative equal positive. Then negative 4 power 2, the result will be positive 16. If we have power even number, you can convert from negative to positive, okay? Then the result will be positive 16 here. Next question, a square of 2 power 3. 2 power 3 square, it's meaning all power 2. It's meaning product itself. We know 2 power 3 equal 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. 8 times itself, it will be 64. Or you can write 2 here and product 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 power 6 is equivalent 2 times itself 6 times. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, 32 times 2 equals 64. Then 2 power 6 equals 64. Okay. 3 times this number. In number power 0 equal 1. Then we have 3 product by 1 is 3. Okay. Next question here, we want to simplify this example. You can simplify with me this example here. Look at here. Negative 3 power 5 times negative 3 power 9. Okay. We have the same basis. Then you must add 2 powers. Okay. You must add 2 powers here. First, negative 3. First step, right? Negative 3. Whole power. 5 plus 9 is 14. And write negative 3 down. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, you must add 2 powers in numerator and numerator also because we have the same. If you have the same basis, you can collect 2 powers about the product. But if you divide it like this, you must find the difference between 2 powers. Like this, 14 subtract by 12 equal 2. Then the result will be negative 3 power 2. Okay, right here, negative 3 whole power 2. Look at here, we have the power here even. So the result will be negative from negative equal positive 3 power 2. 3 times 3 equal 9. Then the answer here would be 9. You must pay attention about these properties. Okay. Find a and b. Of a and b are positive integers, and b power a equals 64. Find the smallest value of a plus b. Okay. B power a equal 4 equals 64. We know 64 equal what? We can write 2 here. Product by itself. How many times? Do you remember about 2 power 6? 2 power 6 equals 64. And also 64 equal 4 power 3. 4 times 4 times 4 equal 64. So you have 4 or 2. He asked about the smallest value of a plus b. If we have 2 power 6 equivalent 2 power a in the value of b, about this condition, b here will be equal to and a will be equal 6. If we find the smallest value of a plus b here, a plus b, we can write 2 plus 6. The result will be 8. And also, if we write 64 equal 4 power 3, or we can write 8 power 2. Then if we collect together, 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 8 plus 2 equal 10. Then he asked about the smallest value. The smallest value, it will be what? It will be 7. Because 7 less than 10, less than 8. So the smallest value will be, right, a plus b equals 7. He asked about the smallest value. Pay attention what's question. Okay, we have conditions about this example. First, I write here a plus b equal 8. If I put the first condition, listen to me. The first condition, I put 2 power 6 equals 64. Okay, 2 power 6 equals 64. And second condition, 4 power 3 equals 64. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. And third condition, 8 times itself. 8 times 8 equal 64. If we collect a plus b, because he gave me here b power a, the denominator or the basis here, an exponent, we can addition together. 2 plus 6 equal 8, and here 4 plus 3 equals 7, 8 plus 2 equal 10. Then the smallest value will be 7. Then the answer here will be 7, okay? The smallest value is 7. Next question, down. Find the value of algebraic expression in the simplest form. First, we have negative right hand x up, and x power negative 4 times x power negative 5. We must collect the powers here. Negative 4 plus negative 5, it will be negative 9. You can collect two powers here. And numerator, we have x also negative 6 minus 7. You can collect because you product down, okay? Negative 6 plus negative 7 equal negative 13. Right here, negative 13. And next step, we can divide it. X power negative 9 divided by x power negative 13 finds the difference between two powers, right? Negative here, 9 plus 13, okay? You must change the sign here in denominator because you divided the same basis, okay? Next step, you can write here equal x power negative 9 plus 13, 13 minus 9 equal 4. In the simplest form, it will be x power 4, x power 4, okay? And then find the value when x equal 2, okay? Right here at x equal 2, you can find the result. The value will be equal. The value will be equal v here versus the value, okay? Put x equal 2. Then we have 2 power 4 equal 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, okay? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2 equals 16. Then 2 power 4 equals 16. Find the value of this expression. We have 4 power 2 plus 4 power 2 plus 4 power 2. How many times here? Look at with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. It's meaning 4 times 4 power 2 because we repeat here 4 power 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can write 4 product by 4 power 2 equal 2 power n. Okay? Understood? Listen to me again. 4 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 product by 4 power 2 equal 2 power n. You can add two powers here. Look at me. 4 times 4 power 2, it will be 4 power 3. You can collect two powers here. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Okay? Then the answer will be 4 power 3. Look at here. 4 power 3, it's equivalent to 2 power n. Who can tell me? We know 4 here equal 2 power 2. 2 power 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Do you remember? 4 power 3 equal 2 power 6 because 4 equal 2 power 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we have 2 power 6 equivalent here to power n. We can compare between the similar bases. 2 equal 2. Then n equals 6. Means the value here of n equals 6. Okay? Understood? Okay, listen to me here. Listen to me. It's the first homework here. Listen to week number 1 also. He give you examples about standard. Example here, homework, like last question. Scientific, we speak here about this one. Scientific notation. Do you remember scientific notation? Like this, 5.69 times 10 power 26, or this number. We must know the scientific notation tell me the first number here in the example lies between 1 and 10 and also equal to 1. And second number, we can write 10 power number. This number, the absolute value of it lies between a number here like this, 27, 26, a number in power. But this number must be right 10. So you can solve the example here. Question number 1. Find the value. Listen to me here. First question. If a and b are positive integers and 64 equal b power a, find the maximum. He wants here the maximum value of a plus b. Okay, I solved this example for 1 minute. You remember? But in this example, he won't find maximum. Last question, he won't. Do you remember? He wants what? The minimum. In this equation, he won't find the maximum value. Do you remember 64? Okay, listen to me. 64 equal 8 power 2, and also 2 power 6, and also 4 power 4. Then you can collect 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. 4 power 3, yes, 2 power 6, 4 power 3. The summation 4 plus 3 equals 7, 2 plus 6 equals 8, 8 plus 2, 10. In the maximum value, it will be 10. Right here, A plus B, B here down, the base and the power A. Then we have 8 plus 2, okay, 2 here at the value of A, and 8, the value will be 10. Right, scientific notation of each, we have 14 times, look at first question, 14 times 10 power 4. You can convert this number. Listen to me, how to convert 14 times 10 power 4 here? Who can tell me? We must put point between 1 and 4. Listen to me, I will solve this question here. 14, okay, solve this question down here. We have 14 power times 10 power 4. Look at with me, this number, we must put 1.4. Then what we will do here, right? 14, I'm going to here, and then product by 10. Product by 10 is equivalent to this number, product by 10 power 4. Then you can write 1.4 product by 10 power 5. Then we can convert this example to scientific notation. Listen to me, if we haven't a point, put point here and move the point left hand side by one place. Move left hand side by one place, it's meaning product by 10. Okay, then the answer, it will be 1.4 times 10 power 5. Next question here. I will solve this question down here, okay? We have, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move the point left-hand side by 7 place. Then we have 2.5 times 10 power 7. The example, okay, it's the simplest. Because we move the point right-hand side by one place, and then put the negative here. If you move the point right-hand side, you must by the side. Listen to me, my students. In the example, if you want to convert to scientific notation and we haven't the point, you must put the point. But in example, we have the point. Look at here, the point between 0 and 0. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move right-hand side by 7 places, then we must write 10 power negative 7. So if you move to right-hand side, you must put the sign will be negative. Don't forget, okay? Move right hand side, put the sign here in the power negative 9. Here it will be 10 power negative 7. Then 2.5 times 10 power negative 7. And this question here, count with me. I will put the point here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move the point left hand side by 7 places. Then we have to product by 10 power 7 because we leave the point to left hand side. If you move the point left hand side, you must put the sign of the power positive, not negative. Negative, if you move right hand side, put negative. Move left hand side, put positive. Okay, this is the rule. So I moved here left hand side by 7 steps. Then I would put here power 7, positive, not negative. Okay, then this question, right? Standard form of this question we have 7.2 times 10 power negative 3. Its meaning was this number, its meaning, who can tell me? Product 10 power negative 3, its meaning divided by 1000. This example, it will be 7.2 divided by 1000. Okay, then divided by 1000, move the point left hand side by 3 places. Then we can write 7, 2, and we put point, 0, and 0.0. Okay, move the point here left hand side by 3 places because we have 3 zeros. Next question, 3.5 product by 10 power 5. Its meaning what? 3.5 product by 1 and have 5 0 behind it. Product by 100,000. Move the point right hand side by 5 places, right? 3, 5, and then count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 zeros. Then we can move by 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then the result will be what? 350,000. 350,000. Next question. Number 4 here. If 356 times 10 power negative 9 equal A product by 10 power negative 7. He won't give me the value of A. Who can tell me the value of A here? Okay, in this example, we must convert first this fraction, this number here, 356 product by 10 power negative 9 is equal to A product by 10 power negative 7. You must write 10 power negative 9. Convert this number to scientific notation. Do you remember? This number here, we have in the point. So we must put the point here in the first. Start, put the point here, and count with me. 1, 2, put the point here. It will be 3.5. 5 and 6, and then product by 10 power 2. You moved here left hand side, so you must put the sign here positive because you moved left hand side by 2 places. Product by 10 power negative 9 equivalent to a product by 10 power negative 7. Okay, you can collect here to simplest. You can simplest this, right? 3.5 and 6 product by 10 power 2 plus negative 9, we can add 2 powers, it will be negative 7. They are equivalent a product by 10 power negative 7. Comparing here, a will be equal the value here. This is the value of a, it will be equal 3.5 and 6. Okay, it's the answer about this question. Next question down here, you want to find the value of k. They are equivalent. Also, I solved the example like up. How we can find the value of k here? Look at here. If we divide it here by 10 power 2 and divide it here 10 power 2, we can simplest. Then k will be equal 4.5 product by 10 power 3 divided by 10 power 2. It will be 10 power 1. Find the difference between two powers. In the value of k, move the point right hand side by one place. The result will be 45. Okay, since the value of k here equal 45. Okay, my students. It's week number 1 finished. Next time I will complete week number 2 in the next video. Okay, goodbye.